They're asking for help for terrorists. They're saying pray for these terrorists. And this is the proof that how 2611 mastermind continues to reign. Also, we get you political reactions. Speaking exclusively on this India Today news break, Congress calling the government to censure action against such terror outfits.
सर, एक और वीडियो भी वहाँ पे सरफेस हो रहा है, यहाँ पत्थरबाजी हो रही है, वहाँ पे हाफिज सईद का एक रिश्तेदार है मक्खी, वो लाइव कमेंट्री कर रहा है।
अब ये हाफिज सईद की कमेंट्री तो किसी तरह से अलाउ नहीं करनी चाहिए। वो तो
मक्खी,
और वो मक्खी है तो मक्खी को मक्खी तरह से इस जो मक्खी के साथ सलूक किया जाता है।
The Pakistan's hand in perpetuating terrorism on the Indian soil, on exporting terrorism to the Indian soil. But at the same time, I think what we would have to address is the duplicity of some of the Kashmir-based local politicians who tend to run with hare and hunt with hounds.
Pakistan has been isolated in the entire world. It is being looked at as a terrorist country. They have not been able to set their own house in order. I think when earlier it was the military that controlled them, but now it's very clear that terrorists are controlling Pakistan, and it's a very unfortunate state of affairs. I think that days are probably numbered, because once the entire world gets against the kind of terrorism that is being supported and perpetrated through Pakistan, it's not going to be long before these terrorists are going to be brought to book, which they should be, and the earlier the better.
As far as the separatists within our country is concerned, the government has called them for questioning. Post the questioning, the government is still to start taking legal penal action against them. Only when that begins will we know that this government is serious about cracking down on Pakistan's proxies. So far, they've been called for questioning. So far, whether it's the Enforcement Directorate or the National Investigation Agency or other agencies, they are building up a case against them. But the case still hasn't been built, because some of these so-called, the moderates in these separatist groups, they are wanted for murder. They are wanted for very heinous crimes in this country, and yet action is not being taken against them. So far, government has initiated some activity. Action is still to be taken. As far as Pakistan-sponsored terror is concerned, while terrorists at the LC are being eliminated, or terrorists within the country are being eliminated, they are only the minions. No action has been taken against terrorist masterminds, either legally or diplomatically, or action against Pakistan for all of this, not taking action against these terrorists. So government's intent is now apparent, but on that intent, government now needs to start acting. As far as this latest video that India Today has accessed, it's of yesterday. Yesterday, when the army was eliminating 2 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, a Gaibana Namaz-e-Janaza was being held for them in Pakistan, which goes on to show how directly Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba is involved in terrorist activities in India, and that the government of Pakistan has taken no action.